In today's video, we'll talk about how to use a PayPal prepaid card. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. The PayPal prepaid card allows you to make purchases in store and online without incurring debt. Here's what you need to know about getting and using this prepaid card. Visit paypal-prepaid.com and click Order a Card. The link is in the description. Fill out the application with your name, address, and contact information. Additionally, choose whether you'd like to receive payments via direct deposit and select a card design. Once you've completed the application, submit your request and wait for PayPal to verify your identity. Your card will be delivered within 10 business days. Once you receive your card, activate it online and add money to your account. You can add money via direct deposit, in person at a reload location, or within the PayPal app. After your card is set up and loaded, use it to make payments anywhere a Debit Mastercard is accepted. You can now make purchases over the phone, online, or in store. So there you have it. That's how you use a PayPal prepaid card. Thanks for watching, and until next time.